To serve with love, the Ursuline way. The Ursuline Sisters of the Mary Immaculate celebrate the decennial year of the Holy Family Institute of Nursing Education, Kurla, Mumbai. For a decade now, the institution has been churning out efficient male and female nurses through their residential programs. Started by the congregation that runs the acclaimed Holy Family Hospital in Bandra, and Sister Edith has been driving the course as a principal for the last 10 years.
If we have our own institution, then we can train students and get nurses uniformly trained and who will provide their service at Holy Family Hospital when they are employed. Then we started searching for a place because Maharashtra Nursing Council informed that 2005 was the last year to obtain permission to start School of Nursing with the General Nursing and Midwifery. Then the inspections came from Indian Nursing Council, Maharashtra State Government and from Maharashtra Nursing Council Mumbai. Then we obtained all the permissions and thus we started the School of Nursing, Holy Family Institute of Nursing Education.
After securing the required permissions, the first batch started in 2005 with 20 students. They graduated in 2009 with 100% results. But it was not a fairy tale story. The course was to start on the land adjoining Holy Family Hospital in Bandra. But when negotiations failed with the tenants, they rented a place in Andheri. At the invitation of the National President of Catholic Nurses Guild of India, the sisters set up the Holy Family Institute of Nursing Education at Andheri. After signing a contract for 3 years with the then President Mrs. Jeanette Menezes in Andheri. The students would do their practicals at the hospital in Bandra and return for their theory to Andheri. The nurses being educated at Naigaon.
Journey to Naigaon, it started like this. After 3 years our contract expired. Then decided that we have a place in Naigaon. It was a social work center, Arkisha Kendra, Naigaon East. So we decided to continue the School of Nursing there. And then for a residential purpose, we have hired 6 flats for the students and the staff. The challenges at Naigaon was there was a shortage of water. Power cut was there on every Fridays. To get quality teachers to come to that place, it was very interior and we couldn't provide accommodation for them. That also was difficult.
The sisters finally bought land at Kurla from the Archdiocese of Mumbai. And in 2012, Cardinal Oswald Gracious inaugurated their dream project, Holy Family Academy of Nursing Education. The 7-storied institute now operates like a well-oiled machinery with medical lab technology, lecture halls, conference room, library and computer lab, anatomy museum, fundamentals lab, community lab and nutrition lab, faculty room, OBG and gynec room and pediatric, hostel area and dining hall area. To commemorate the decennial year, the sisters have introduced the LEAP concept, Learn, Earn and Pay, where education for poorer students is fully funded.
We are reached 7:30 morning and first we are work bed making, sponge bath and after vital signs like TPR, pulse, respiration and help them walking patient.
This is a medical ward where we have cared and loved the patient. As a religious sister, I feel that it is Jesus' mission that I am carrying on.
I had joined 2006 and I have passed out in 2010. ICUs, whenever the patient comes like in a critical condition, we will assess the patient's conditions, we will monitor the vitals, and we give the cardiopulmonary resuscitation in case of emergency, and we administer the emergency drugs to save the patient's life. The nursing as a profession and to save the life of the patients, it is very pleasure for me.
Being a teacher, it's a very good experience to get along with students. This Holy Family Institute provides a good infrastructure for the students, and even labs have been provided for the students, which is very well equipped, wherein the students get the opportunity to learn the things and practice all the skills what they want to practice and apply it in the clinical areas.
From one decade to another, the service of the Ursuline Sisters of Mary Immaculate continues with greater promise. Plans are now underway to build a multi-speciality hospital at the Kurla campus. For the city of Mumbai, reeling with health problems of urbanization, this brings a glimmer of a new hope, a new horizon.
I want to congratulate the Holy Family Institute of Nursing Education, which is situated in Kurla, for completing the decennial year. Looking back the 10 years that has gone by is a message of wellness. For during the past years, this institution has been excelling in medical training, putting the trust in the Lord. The institution had been soaring bit by bit. Congratulations, and we want to wish them God's blessings so that many more young may continue to benefit from all the various services that this institution offers.
Sister Edith and Co, what I have to say, great congratulations, because I know what they have gone through to complete these 10 years, and they have successfully trained around 200 nurses within these 10 years. So I have to say, really, they have done a wonderful work.
One of the most important aspects of a hospital is the nursing. You know, you can have doctors who would come and go, but who stays back with the patient, who is there 24/7 are the nurses. And a hospital will get a good name if the nurses are really good, well trained and committed. And therefore, by starting this nursing school and starting this nursing college, I think Holy Family has taken a step forward. A brilliant idea to start the School of Nursing attached to Holy Family Hospital. I think the first thing I would congratulate, especially Sister Edith. I've seen her slave, not slog and slave, from day one to try and set up this institution, and of course with a tremendous support from Sister Aquinas and the entire community. So that's so I congratulate them for what they have done, and the message is that, you know, infuse into your nursing education the spirit of, you know, the love, the compassion, empathy and commitment that is required in all professions, and especially in the nursing professions.
The nurses who come are really compassionate, effective. They must know their work well, professional is what you would call it. But they must also be very, very, very compassionate and kind. That's the only thing I think the patients need. To see that health is harmony, the whole person, not only one part, not only the body or everyone, every part of the body should be in harmony.